this video, I'll show you how to adjust the spacing between your recipes and photos to create a cleaner, more balanced cookbook layout. This feature gives you more control over how your recipe pages look and is especially helpful if your recipe text is getting too close to a photo or if there's too much empty space on the page. Keep in mind that spacing adjustments are only available on supported layouts. These include layouts with a photo at the bottom of the page and layouts that display 2 recipes on a single page. To adjust the spacing, open the recipe page you'd like to edit and choose one of the supported layouts. You'll see a spacing control that lets you move the divider between the recipes and the photo. Drag the divider up to reduce the amount of space, or drag it down to create more space. As you adjust it, you'll see the layout update so you can find the look that works best for your page. Once you're happy with the spacing, click Save to apply your changes. Here's one helpful tip. If one recipe is much longer than the other, try adjusting the spacing before moving on to the next page. A few small adjustments can make your cookbook look much more professional. And that's it. With just a few quick adjustments, you can fine-tune your recipe pages and create a beautifully balanced cookbook.